To wrap some burger sauce on it, patty, some cheese, some bacon,
Onion.
and on top a little small baby wrap.
Baby wrap.
Wow, it looks so good.
It looks amazing.
Later.
Ready? Put it on. Maybe some cheese, some cheddar. Never can get enough of cheese. Bacon on top. Additional. Fucking forgot to put the pickles on. Oh my. Like you're a baby.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, fuck, that's so good. Let's go. I'm really curious. So intense. So much fat, so intense taste.
I'm kind of sorry. So big good.
The patty, the barbecue, the bacon, and the onions.
And the garlic sauce.
So good. Yeah, and some garlic. I swear, it's better than any burger.
Oh, 嫩牛五方 YYDS.
I'm really curious. I should have put it more. There's like